the other day here my channel, guys. Today we are talking about like singing singing b- b- pieces along we gonna lead lead into a knowing about self-protection and singing and experience, we're gonna nurse along. So guys, the rhythm based jazz, okay? Guys, so guys, just I mean, don't know which this. But there's not bass. We gotta burn down more. I'm doing bass. Just, and that's no. I can go for the bass. I mean, and now we're doing us voice. We gotta speak from our ass, which is, hey, put your hand on your ass. I mean, and just say, I mean, any word or a sentence, and then you feel your ass, a brain. Watch, hey, hey, hey. So this, hey. Good. And now let's get into all singing basics. So guys, I've been pushing videos away years so far. Cigars, I've been pushing videos away years so far, which that means um I've been pushing videos like a lot, which means it means a lot to me. Thank you. So guys, now that's how do we sing part two. So guys, it's kind of like something like to do on like other fucker stars but we are not into that yet. We're like going over all the singing basics. We just stuck about but it's kind of like it's kind of like for for pro Beltane and also humming and do all other stuff. We get into it. And it's kind of like know things. Like for when you exert someone like, hey, and person says, or do it to mix, good. I mean, and that's how do we sing? I mean, let's go into skank, which is this. Da 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 da. And that's skank actually is. And let's go read into talking about we sing well 13. Because let's do one example of mix only. Just do this I don't know, okay? Hey, 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 hey. And guys, let's try the bird thing. This time, and this time I'm gonna do a certain thing. Hear it, watch. Hey, 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 hey. There, no, try the bell. Hey. That's the donuts fly. We're doing mixed wild gardening. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, I'm just going to need to, hey boys, doing, hey boys, it's like this. That's what I did. I was like doing stuff like this. This it was right here, and then it's gonna. And they're talking about for solo, and guys say we're doing for solo. Okay, it's everyone is watching. Okay, so guys, we do it for solo. We go side first, side on the pitch, and we can do side of the actual pitchman of the owl. Watch. Good, and I was going to you need to sound, doing sound. I'm gonna make space for sounds which this ah. That sound really making sound like which this good. And now we're gonna do it louder and a little bit more brightness to it. I'm doing so with it. Okay, and yeah, so and now let's go back down. We're doing belting. When I'm belting, it's like doing. It's like I'm focused on the pitch, which is like. Good, and that's how boxing is gonna get about later on. And God's say, I'm gonna be singing gonna go and guys, I need to go and I need everyone to watch I've been doing speaking singing with this. The snow glows my I'm tonight. Never been to be seen. It's like something with Dutton did. Congratulations. And then it looks like I'm the queen. So when it's howling. And that's what the students, and guys, we're doing that. We got focus. And guys, we're going to be doing belting and then the first stuff solo with this. Good, but that's going. You need to you're finding your turnings with this. Find your turnings, guys. Find your range of the voice. Listen. Eh, 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 eh. That's our tenor range is this. And for sound quality is we got bring up the sound, which is ah. I mean space for the sound. Quality is which is good. Ah. Because you're bringing it up with sounds. Quality is good. Now let's talk about how production is going. A production, it's coming out of a team. Which that is. You got material for any movie or something. Yeah, so guys. And now we're gonna focus on about how you find your voice for singing. Um, with this. So guys, whatever you do, let us do this. Okay, so guys, I need everyone. And guys, this video is not gonna be long. All right, it's gonna be in a few minutes long. So just a little bit with me here. So guys, we're doing like how to find your voice for singing. We get like now we're doing like finding your voice. Guys, just keep finding your voice still. When someone cannot hear everyone is saying, try to speak more. It should be something like this. Good. Now, guys, we're gonna watch other different I'm not learning two words. Well, while we're like mumbling two words, so guys, we are gonna mumble the words first. That's not close to rely on tonight. Everything to be seen. Come on, I'm song. I'm a comedian. Good, and now we're gonna. So I need the words. Are guys watching right now? The snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Never been to be seen. I can imagination. And looks like I'm a queen. Good. Now, after that is settled, I'm going to teach everyone how to create a song. So, first thing, you need the instrumental. Second thing, find your footwork, singing and something, figure out the lyrics. Fourth thing, put it all in together. And that's how create a song actually is. And then what is the approach to the is, I'm so glad you asked. So guys, hey, production is the kind of a team, which is like any film director, a producer, and any writers. Those are, and those are the teams when you're filming a big project. But the kind of like I'm directing that movie, and I'm just going to be talking about producer, a producer, you financing and budgeting, which that is kind of taking more of the money and funding the actual the budget, and that's the money you guys spend on that movie. It's going into a film director, a film director. It's like if you have a big camera, and if you're a director, you need camera to film a movie, and that's their director is, and it's going into any script. As a script, the writers is writing a script for the actors and what everything is could be about, and that script is. I mean, and now there's going into what is this sound production is, which I just spoke about already, but we're kind of getting with like you can teach everyone how to become a sound production, but you have to film and everything to be sound production is. It's going into a sound like newer, which that means they're making movies and making sound effects. It's gonna into a sound as a newer do. It's gonna lean into a watching other focus style, which is the like funny exists. I'm like, there's no gosh why I'm not coming to tonight. Never been to be seen. I can only isolation. And looks like I'm a queen. We're just gonna go lead it into a finding other focus styles is one is Survive. Who is this? Hey. And the one is this. Ah. I mean, and my least favorite. I mean, it's probably other for bro. I'm just to do one. Good. And now we are gonna find other focus styles in movies. We just kind of spent into one. And watch. Hey. Oh. Hey. We're putting into one focus styles in movies. That's gonna lead into a movies part two, which is because this is a bunch of movies out there. If you would you see, I'm like when I someone like we get it for good, and there's we get one, and there's like other movies, and that's going into how to get hair codes for your videos because I need everyone go to Google Drive, click on the three dots, say link. And just and just type and QR codes. Find it. And just create a link. And then I'm just gonna check doing that. I'm just gonna it's for tips because here is all of the tips which is so here is all the tips for sound protection is because tip tip one, figure out if you want to add your videos but you got sign in first, and that's one tip. And the second tip, you gotta make sure you're like finding high better singing, like if you're like finding the right things. And tip three, figure it and singing figure everything out by yourself, and that's all the tips. And here's all the tools. You have to sign into a permanent pro in Canva. You guys sign in before adding videos. And did you know you cannot add your videos because sign in still? I mean, it's basically all the same thing, right? Yeah. So then did you know our technology is charging? And because I'm charging my computer right now because I'm doing something I'm saying I don't I want to know. You guys, we're going to introduce large streaming because I'm going to basically I'm streaming right now, which that is I mean it's like he's like doing meet and greet it's gonna do swimming in the it's well thing on like film of the live stream on YouTube and that's you need to know and here's welcome back with such separate talking video which that is I want to say thank you for everyone but guys so guys now welcome back with the separate looking video, which that is. So guys, I made that video in the school for you guys to find out, and you can do voice, voice over when you come back to like singing in the voice over, but you can do other things, right? And since now you can sing or we're doing voice over, like for an example, like the snow glows right on I went tonight. Now we're being to be sing. And then the example of voiceover we're singing. I just want to say this. Thank you for everyone who's stuck around for this long. I really love you guys so much. I mean, and you guys just gonna into ending of this video. Anyways, I don't know. Shit, thank you everyone for watching this. Hey yo, I really appreciate really